Alright, I have a question for the non-Jamaican them. I'm serious. Why are you learning patois? I'm curious about the people when I have any Jamaican connection at all, like by blood. Alright, so no Jamaican parents, no spouse, no Jamaican grandparents, no Jamaican roots. Yet somehow you decide say, I want to learn patois. Why? Was it the music, dancehall, reggae? Was it the culture, the food, the vibe? Or was it simply the language itself? Like maybe you hear somebody talk it and say, wow, that sounds interesting. Or maybe you love how expressive it is. Maybe you love the proverbs. Maybe you love the storytelling. Maybe you just love the way it sounds. But because you see, people learn languages every day for all sorts of reasons. They learn Japanese, French, Korean, Swahili. And most of them don't have family connections. So me want to know, what was it about patois that made you want to learn it? And if you're not Jamaican and you're learning patois, drop a comment and tell me what make you start. I really want to know. Somebody in your country? Yeah. Let me know.